Hello again. Right, just wanted to show you something. I've been seeing on YouTube a lot lately of the old polarizing filters for the cameras. Now I've got one on the Action 5 Pro, the DJI, and I'm going to show you what it does. I'll show you with the phone first. Just brighten the screen up again. Now if you've got your filter on and you start to turn it, as you can see there, it gets rid of it. So a lot of people are using this to blur out their dashboard so you can't see the speed. But let me show you something on a BMW TFT dash. I'm going to bring that up there because that's my microphone. So with the BMW TFT, let me just put that filter back to normal. There he is. Let's turn the TFT on. So there you can see it, nice and clear. Now if I turn the CPL filter, the polarizing filter, round to where I did to black out the phone screen, you can see it blurs it. Let me get my fingers out of the way. It blurs it slightly, but that's as good as you'll get it. So it's blurred out the rev count a little bit, but for some reason it will black out the TFT completely. Now Tom's TC did it with a Suzuki TFT and it blurred it out. The Beamer one, for some reason, I don't know why, it doesn't blur it hardly at all. So if you've got a Beamer and you were thinking of buying a polarizing filter specifically for that purpose of blurring out your speedo, save you 10 quid. It doesn't work unless you know different. If you do, let me know in the comments. Cheers guys.